Jai Srimanarayana. Sixth sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Etanyapitu karmani sangam tyaktva फलानि च कर्तव्यानीति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम्। ओम perform sacrifices, yajnas, Vedic yajnas, charities and meditation with a firm belief that with all those activities you are getting purified, and do all those activities as a service of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Do not be attached to them and do not expect fruits of those activities, because the biggest fruit you are getting is purification of yourself. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall perform Vedic yajnas, charities and meditation with a firm belief that with all those I am getting purified, and I shall perform all those activities as an aradhana, as a service to you. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey all your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 366th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, with all the wives Brahmanas accomplished their yajnas. After that, Adha Anusmrutya Vipraha Te Anvatapyan Krutagasaha. Slowly Brahmanas started realizing what exactly has happened. Yat Visva Ishvarayoho Yachnam Ahasma Nruvidambayoho. Brahmanas were talking like this, saying like this. What happened to us? Sakshat Sarveswara Srimannarayana came down in the form of a human as Sri Krishna Paramatma and begged us to give him food. But what did we do? We rejected them. We did not give them food. It's a huge sin we have committed. For all the activities that we perform, for everything, he is the one ultimately who has to receive. For all of us, all the activities supposed to be turned as seva to Sakshat Paramatma. Such Paramatma is rejected by us today. Katakata mosapoyitimi kantalapati buddhi ledu nedita harigana boneruga memu duratmulamu memu kalmashodbhatulamu. How much of sin we have committed. Whatever the jnanam that buddhi our wives has, we do not have that. Sakshat Paramatma came down, but we did not go for his darshanam. Our wives went and had a beautiful darshanam. And we have gone away from Sakshat Sri Vishnumurti. What is the use of our wisdom? What is the use of our tradition? What is the use of our all kind of rules, regulations? Everything gone waste. Drishtva Strinam Bhagavati Krishne Bhaktim Alaukikim Japa హోమాధ్యయనంబులు తపములు వ్రతములు లేని తరుణులు హరి సత్కృపబడిసిరి. Our wives did not do any japas, homas, tapasyas, adhyayanas, vratas, but they have gone and had darshanam of Srimannarayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma, and got his blessings. So they became eligible for the grace of, for the compassion of Srimannarayana. But what did we do? We have everything. We did japam, tapam, anushtanam, everything, adhyayanam. But we did not get blessed by Paramatma because bhakti is missing with us. Like that, all the Brahmanas were regretting. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter 6th sloka. एतान्यपि तु कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा फलानि च कर्तव्यानीति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम्। एतान्यपि तु कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा फलानि च कर्तव्यानीति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम्। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।